Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Kinanti Dwi Kurniawan dari Prodi Pendidikan Agama Islam kelas 3C dengan NIM 12320200085. Di sini saya akan mengerjakan soal UTS dengan mata kuliah English for Islamic Study. The background of the research above is about the rapid development of Islamic thought throughout history. Development was driven by the open, tolerant, and accepting attitude of Muslims toward foreign thought and civilization. Muslims will value moderation and free thinking, have made Muslim culture stronger, but as time went on, Muslims faced harder problem that needed new answers. The one to understand the development of Islamic thought and civilization from historical perspective and is in fact on the Islamic world and the international community to study the process of development of Islamic thought and civilization. 3. To identify the factors that have supported the development of Islamic thought and civilization throughout history. 4. Explain the field of knowledge that development with Islamic civilization and the contribution of its scholars. And last, to honestly the impact of the development of Islamic thought and civilization on the life of Muslim and is a contribution to advancement of international civilization from the classical to the modern period. The research method used in the study above is library or literature review. This type of research focus on collecting data from various literary sources such a book, article, and scientific work that are relevant to the topic being discussed, namely the development of Islamic thought and civilization. Library research aims to understand and analyze the idea and concept of Muslim thinkers thought as in literature. This method does not involve field research of or experimentation, but relies on existing written source to build argument and find information about the history and the impact of Islamic thought on global civilization. Awareness and adaptability of Islamic thought flourished due to Muslim often maintenance toward for example, knowledge and cultures, their tolerant attitude and willingness to accept ideas from other civilizations allowed Muslim scholars to adopt, develop, and even perfect existing knowledge. And contribution of the Umayyad and Abbasiyad dynasty. During the Umayyad and Abbasiyad dynasty, Islamic thought and civilization research zenith this further witnessed significant advancement in education, science, and philosophy. and support from other dynasty. In Andalusia, Islamic thought flourished and served as a break for Islamic knowledge to enter Europe. And development of scientific Muslim scholars focus not only on religious science but also on scholar disciplines such as mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and philosophy. This demonstrates the comprehensive nature of Islamic thought, encompassing various aspects of life. And the last one, impact on international civilization, the development of Islamic thought and civilization not only infected the Islamic world but also had a profound influence of global civilization. The advancement in Islamic science and philosophy played a played a crucial role in driving scientific development in Arafah, particularly during the Renaissance. This in the sense that Islamic thought that's been a fundamental foundation for the progress of international civilization. Overall, the spending demonstrates that the development of Islamic thought from the classical to the modern era has had a broad impact both in the Islamic world insert on global civilization. Expansion of literature source, the research can be further enriched by adding literature source from a broader historical perspective, including modern research and work by international historians. This will help to gain a more deserved view of the development of Islamic thought and civilization. And last, recommendation for academic development as a final resort, this research can provide recommendation on how Muslims today can utilized the legacy of classical thought for the development of modern science and technology. This can help Muslim community address global challenge and insert their contribution to international change. Mungkin cukup sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.